Under LSD, high-frequency alpha and beta networks ignite, reshaping global brain connectivity in dynamic, fractal patterns. LSD dampens intrinsic auditory cortex connections, altering predictive coding and sensory perception in unpredictable ways. Rising neural entropy under LSD disrupts fixed connectivity patterns, fostering novel transitions between consciousness states. At molecular level, LSD shifts proteostasis and energy metabolism proteins, supporting enhanced neuroplasticity. LSD fosters neurite outgrowth and spine remodeling, suggesting new pathways for synaptic connectivity. From macro-oscillatory networks to molecular shifts, LSD-induced fireworks reveal consciousness's multi-scale complexity. These neural fireworks may underlie enhanced creativity, problem-solving, and profound personal insights under psychedelics.